Subscribe GSM Guruji and press the bell icon to watch video first of all.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y04. You see here pattern lock, password, you have anything, you are making reset. You see here pattern lock now. You have password pattern lock. Here password. How to open this password? See nicely complete videos. Also subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Never miss any videos. First of all, you make it off. Press power button and volume up button. Then get it option. Make it off. Then press power button and volume up button. First press volume up button. After then you are press power button. Then is showing the reset button. You see, after then go to down, then again press power button, then wait. You see now you are press this side. After then press the number 2 option, then make it done. Now is reset that password. Now is 100% is done. You are go to back, then make it on and off. Now is taking time, only just 3 minutes. After then is done. You see now is showing like this, is taking time now. You see now is selecting language. After then press, now is setting English. After then making next. Then tick again next, then again tick again next. After then you are press again next, then skip option on, again skip again now. You see again skip option, again skip. Now is finish, is showing menu. Now is 100% is done. Please like and share videos. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. You see 100% this one is done.